Very special reunion today for a cancer survivor and her doctor.
The two brought together by a celebration of a milestone at Corewell Health Hospital in Royal Oak, the 20-year anniversary of the Wall of Tiles, meant to inspire and encourage child cancer patients. Our Grant Herms has the touching story and the power of that healing art. Grant.
Well, Pamela, Karen, it was a very special day, not just because it was the reunion between that patient and her doctor, but also a reminder of how far they both have come and the enduring message of hope.
It's like a family reunion, a lot of tears, a lot of hugs.
Sitting in front of a mosaic of love, joy, and hope, Dr. Charles Main looks back on his career. He treated children with cancer for 60 years. When he started, the survival rates for the type of blood cancer he treats, just 5%. Today, that number is more than 90.
It's been great because we go to a lot more weddings and a lot more graduations now.
Dr. Main is now retired, but still does follow-up visits with patients for long-term care. And today he's back to commemorate 20 years of the tiled mosaic. The blue tiles made by patients, the yellow by their families. Each one meant to greet patients with comfort when things are at their scariest.
My daughter has a tile up there. Definite memories and a lot of connection with the people that I've taken care of over the last 60 years.
People like Brenna, who was diagnosed at just 3 years old. Today, she's 28.
It's nice to come and see the memories. As a kid, you don't want to really remember the medicine.
If walls could talk, this one wouldn't have to. It already tells stories of 212 survivors and their families. Messages of hope, sculpted and scratched, marking the end of frightening chapters in the stories of their lives, and markers that there might just be a happily ever after all.
Now, Brenna and Dr. Charles got so close at one point that when Brenna was in kindergarten, she actually invited Dr. Charles in for show and tell for her class. And to make things come full circle a little bit here, Brenna now runs a daycare center in Ypsilanti where she also teaches those kids in art therapy. Such a great story. Back to you.